In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So let's do the math on this. $1,400 a day. If you learn how to attract one customer a day at $1,400, that's $42,000 extra a month and an extra $511,000 a year. That's just one customer a day. Now, let's say you get one customer a week at $1,400. That's still an extra $5,600 a month and an extra $67,000 a year. So would learning these digital marketing skills help you out? Of course, disclaimer, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort, so don't be typical, right? So if you're new here, my name is Dan and I'm from Michigan, and I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. And long story short, I was just sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid at my job. So I went online to figure out how to make some extra income. And that's when I discovered this business, this done-for-you digital business in a box. That's what this is. I discovered that last year, early 2024. I launched my business and I've made multiple 5 figures so far, thousands of dollars. I've had $900 days. I've had $1,400 days with our new product because we just launched the $1,400 product recently. I've had a $1,400 day so far. I've had $1,800 days. So this is possible for you because if I can do it, so can you. If I can do it, anybody can do it basically, right? Because I don't have a college degree. I didn't grow up like learning about digital marketing, right? I figured this stuff out just by doing it. So all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. Then what you have to do is you got to get started. You got to set up your business. Okay. We give you everything. So it's a done for you business in a box. You just got to set it up. And then then you plug into our community for training and support. And then once you get your business set up, the rest of the time, all you got to do is follow a 2-hour workday. Okay. So that 2-hour workday consists of this. This is what we teach. You post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Okay. That's the one thing you do minimum. Now there's no limit to how many pieces of content you can create, but that's the minimum to keep your business in momentum. Okay. So 3 pieces of content a day. Then you can also go live on social media. Okay. And then you can also copy and paste free ads. So let's say you did 30 minutes posting content, 30 minutes going live, and 30 minutes posting free ads. That's just an hour and a half right there. And then the rest of the time, all you got to do is reply to messages, reply to emails if you have any. And then you just go through some training inside of our program, because our training inside of our program and inside of our community, it's going to help you with your mindset and it's going to help you with your strategy to attract more customers so you can make some more money. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this business and learn how to launch it, just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link is in the description. Put your email in, then search for the word blueprint. Okay, you're going to be getting emails from me. And in the first email, there's a PDF that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days with digital marketing. There's 3 videos you can watch. You can read through the website. And if you want to get started, just get started. And if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Okay. And now I'm just going to share with you how this business looks and how it works and how to get started with it and what you have to do. I'm going to show you inside of the community as well. So let me share my screen. So we give you this done for you automated online digital business in a box. And we also give you this sales funnel here. Okay. So what do we sell? We sell these digital programs. So unlock 10 income streams today, earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. So there's 10 income streams that you have, a potential of 10. So that means you can, people are going to buy these programs. These are digital programs, educational programs that teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online with digital marketing. And also they teach you how to build multiple streams of income. Okay. So there's 5 different programs, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. That's how we come to 10 income streams, right? So 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400. Those are the 5 income streams in English and in Spanish. Okay. So that's how you get 10 income streams. And the top product is $1,400. And the minimum is 100, the top is 1,400. And you can see it says earn 100% profit. So you earn 100% profit per sale because this is master resale rights. That means you have the resale rights to resell digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. I didn't create any of these products. I didn't create the website. I didn't create anything. All I do is promote it, and I made thousands of dollars doing that. Okay. So that's what we're selling. And we give you this sales funnel, and this sales funnel is doing the selling for you, right? So what happens is every time someone goes to your link, like if you go to 7figuremonk.com, it's going to take you here. This is called a capture page. Okay. So you're capturing people's emails. You're building your email list. You're going to learn how to do email marketing. And trust me, I've been doing this for a year, and all of this stuff, like the creating content, email marketing, everything that I talk about, it's so much easier than you think. It becomes really simple once you get used to it. Okay. If you're brand new and you've never done this stuff before, then there's like a learning curve. It could take you like 1 to 3 weeks to get used to things, just like a job, right? But then once you get used to it, it's really simple. You'll understand. You'll know once you do it. You'll get it. Okay. You'll understand what I'm talking about once you get used to it, right? So here's the capture page. People put their email in, and then they go through the sales funnel. They're gonna see this video. Okay, they're gonna see the wins from our community. So this is my mentor and friend, Michelle. She's made like $10 million in 3 years. Okay. So this millionaire is doing the selling for you. She also does coaching and mentoring inside of our community as well. So you get coached and mentored from 6 and 7-figure income earners like Michelle, who's made $10 million in 3 years. So can she teach you how to make money online? Absolutely. Right. So there's one video. Here's another video, 2 videos. These 2 videos are doing the selling for you. People are going to go through your sales funnel, and you can see they can click on this button and it'll take them to your website or your sales page. You can call it a website. You can call it a sales page, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So people go here and then they can click and they can purchase one of the products. Like they go here and they purchase the $1,400 product, and you get paid through PayPal. Like you can use your payment processor like Square, Stripe, PayPal. Okay. So that's how you get paid. And yeah, this is the website. So all you're doing is sending people to this website. So these pages, this is selling, this is selling, this is selling, this page is selling too. People are going to read all the words, and if they like it, they'll buy. How would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Think about that. How would that change your life? Those $1,400 sales, they add up fast. This is not MLM. This is not affiliate marketing. So we don't earn tiny commissions. This is high ticket marketing with master resale rights. Okay. 3 videos. See, 3 videos are doing the selling for you. These videos are selling for you. You don't have to cold message people. You don't have to call people. Okay. You don't even have to talk to people. You just got to send people to your website. You got to send people to your link and just build that email list. And then the pages are doing the work for you. That's how you earn passive income. That's how you make money in your sleep. Have I made money in my sleep with this system? Yes, numerous times. Every sale that I get, it just comes through my automated system. So I'm always doing something else when I make money, right? That's how automations work. So I'm just showing you this website real quick. You can check it out yourself at 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description, right? So we got 56,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months when we launched this program in 2024. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. This is what separates us from all of these other, online making money online opportunities. This is what makes us different, is the fact that we earn 100% profit per sale. Now, most businesses only earn 10 to 30% profit. Okay. Like if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're selling something, you only get to keep like 30% of the profit, and then you give 70% away to the company. That's how most businesses operate. And then you become a licensed reseller of these programs. We have a certification training you can go through. Okay. This business is in English and it's in Spanish, right? Look, so if I go here, so if someone speaks Spanish, they can read my website in Spanish. So it's in English and it's in Spanish. Okay. And then we also teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT and other AI tools to help you build your business. So AI is going to be helping you build your business. There's testimonies. This is the bio section. This is where you put in your bio. This is where you put in your image. Okay. That's the bio section. And then you can just see, why is this business perfect for you? Like if you want to make some extra income, you want financial security, you want to work from anywhere, you're tired of trading your time for money at a job. See, that's how jobs work. If you clock in, you get paid. If you clock out, you don't get paid. But with this business is out there working for you 24/7, so you can make money at any time. But you can't make money at any time at a job. That's the difference. This is if you want a reliable income stream, you want a proven system that works. This is proven. I've myself, I've made thousands of dollars, multiple 5 figures, and there's people in our community who've made multiple 7 figures. There's people in our community who've made multiple 6 figures. So it's proven to work. We've created over 100 6-figure income earners. One person, Michelle, she's made multiple 7 figures reselling these programs. Okay. So it's already proven to work. Nobody can say it's not proven to work. Why does this proven process? This is the process of master resale rights. You're reselling other people's products. Just like Verizon, they sell Apple phones. All these mobile carriers, they sell Apple phones. So selling other people's products is not a new way to make money. It's been around forever. Okay. Why is master resale rights better than anything else? Because we earn 100% profit. Like multi-level marketing, network marketing, they don't earn 100% profit. And we don't have monthly fees. A lot of these other business models, they have monthly fees. Okay. Here's more testimonies from inside of our community. And here, like, so if someone wants to, like, this is how you make money, right? Someone will go to your page and they're going to purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, the 900, or the 1400 product. And every time they purchase, you get paid 100% profit. Now you might be asking, okay, so how do I start this business? Like, what do I do to get started? Is there an investment required? Yeah, it's a one-time investment. I invested $1,400 of my hard-earned money to join this business. And so, yeah, investment's required. But here's the thing. All you need is one sale and you get your investment back. Let's say you're at the $1,400 level, you get one sale, then you get your investment back, your business is free, and then every sale after that is profit. Okay, so you only need one sale, keep that in mind. And then your business is free. It won't cost you a thing, right? So if you go with the 1,400 level, this is for just so you understand, for you and your customers, like if you start at the $1,400 level, you get 10 income streams. You can make $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 over and over again, right? If you start at the 900 level, you get 4 income streams, right? You can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900. You see how it works? So 600, you get 3 streams. 300, you get 2 income streams, and the 100 level, you get 1 income stream. And for just so you know, for you or your customers, you can start at a smaller level, and you can always upgrade later. Okay, so it's better to get started than not get started, because if you can't start at the highest level, start at the lower level and just get sales and then upgrade to the next level. And there's also payment plans available for you and your customers, just so you know. Okay, and then we have these bonuses that we give you. We give you access to our community for free. You get all these other bonuses, like you get to learn how to create your own communities, how to create content with Canva, my first million in 17 months blueprint. There's a 30-day PDF market strategy growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. There's 200 digital product ideas if you want to learn how to create your own digital products and sell them. Okay, more testimonies. So yeah, that's basically what the website looks like. And then there's frequently asked questions. Now you can check out the website yourself at sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description. Okay. Now let's say you decide to get started with this business. And then, so what you do is you purchase one of the programs and then you pay your website fee. And then you're going to have access. Here's where you're going to have access to your program. Okay. This is where you're going to have access to your products. Okay. Inside of here. So here's the program. Once you go inside of the program, you just watch the videos and then you just go through the program. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6. This program teaches you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. So phase 1, foundation, phase 2, attraction, phase 3, engagement, phase 4, conversion, phase 5, leveraging AI, phase 6, monetize and multiply. Okay. So for example, phase 6 is scale beyond one stream of income, build wealth, impact, and legacy for yourself and for your family, right? So that's the program that you're going through. And then here's your certification training. Here are the bonuses. So one of the first things you need to do when you start this business, if you want to resell the programs, you got to set up your website, right? In English and in Spanish. So you just go to the website setup. Okay. So what you're setting up your sales funnel. You're setting up these pages. Okay. That's what you're setting up. Just like I set up my pages, you set up your pages. So what you just go through and you just watch all the steps, right? It shows you what you need to do, what accounts you need to open up. It shows you everything that you need to do to set up your system. Like you got to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a professional domain and email address. My domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. ChatGPT can help you figure out a domain name. You can just use your name, you know, like my name is Dan Bellin. I could do danbellin.com. That's fine too, because you're building your brand. Payment gateways. So you gotta open up your payment gateways like your Square, your Stripe, your PayPal. That's how you receive payments. And then you just got to connect your Freedom Machine. You got to connect everything, right? Just like this. These are all, you got to connect this stuff. So we show you how to do that, like how to connect your domain to your system, right? So it shows you how to do everything. See. So you just watch the steps, you follow the videos. Most of it's just copy and paste, okay? So that's that. That's where your products are. Here's where your products are and your program is, okay? And then inside of our community, You also get access to our community, which is this. Okay, and yeah, so you got access to our community. We got 57,000 people in our community. So you just go here, you type in like introduce yourself, wins, all that stuff is here. If you have questions, you can ask questions. And then check out the pin post because it's going to show you what's going on in the community. Check out the pin posts. And then you go to the win section. So I'm going to show you proof that people are making money right now. Okay. Look at a quiet Sunday and it ended with 900. So she made $900 guys on a Sunday. Okay. $900 on a Sunday. That's awesome, right? In one sale, you can make $900 or $1,400 or $600, one sale instead of small commissions. Like I used to sell a $14 like drink MLM and I would have needed 100 sales to make 1,400. Now I only need one. $300 ding. See, there you go. She made $300, excuse me. Just so there's your proof. I'm just showing you proof that people are reselling the programs and making money. Okay, she made $900 and she's already made $3,000 for the week. So that's pretty substantial. It's pretty substantial. Okay, so we have 30 posts per page and there's 32,000 pages of wins. Okay, and let me go into the classroom. Now we have bonus trainings inside of our classroom. So not only do we have training inside of the program, but we also have training in the classroom. Getting started here. We do these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. We got that. Okay. We got all these other bonus trainings, mindset training, social media training, content vault, mentoring Zoom replays, all the mentoring Zooms. You can watch all the replays. So there's an abundance of training, and the training is just going to help you with your mindset and your skill set to build multiple streams of income and to attract customers online. Okay. So if we go into the calendar, we have our next live events. Like today, we have Millionaire Mentoring at 12 o'clock. We have that. And yeah, this shows you our live events that we have. Tech calls, all these live events. Okay. And that's that. And yeah, so that's the community. So I showed you basically everything. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the bio. So like I said, you get started, you set up your business, you plug into the community, and then you're following the 2-hour workday. So every day, all you got to do is post content on social media, 3 pieces of content a day minimum. You can also go live and you can also post free ads. And then you reply to messages, you reply to emails, and you go through training. That's all you got to do every day to build your business. It's really that simple. You just got to be consistent, show up every day, plug into the community and show up every day, and the results will come. Focus on the activity and the results will come. Okay. So let me give you an example of how I post content. Like let's go to YouTube. So I create long form videos like this video I'm making right now. It's a long form video. It's a video over 10 minutes. I create long form videos. Okay. And then I create shorts, like little talking videos. I do talking, like all this talk. Okay. And then I have like a B-roll video. So this is just like a B-roll video, like a 7-second video, not a talking video. It's a B-roll video. It's a 7-second video with words on the screen. Okay. So I do that as well. So yeah, let me just go into my shorts real quick. Let me just click on this one. Okay. So talking video. You can see all these. I'm just talking for like a minute. What am I talking about? Well, I'm sharing my story. I'm sharing this business with people. I'm just sharing the business. I'm talking about the business, creating curiosity about the business. And then if people want to know more information, they'll go to my website or they'll ask me for more information. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Right. And then my live videos, I like to go live on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. Okay. And that's it. And then you can also do these written posts on YouTube. You can also do written posts with images and text. So you can also do written posts on YouTube. That's why I like YouTube, because you can do everything on YouTube. It's nice and it's very professional. Okay, I showed you everything. If you have questions, drop it in the comments. If you're ready to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com and just make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's looking for ways to make money online, and if you know someone who's like done with being overworked and underpaid, they're done with financial stress and they're ready to create a life of freedom, then make sure to share this video with them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day and God bless.